In 1966, Shelby American and the Hertz Corporation devised a plan to provide motorists with the ability to hop into the driver's seat of a special edition 1966 Shelby Gt350, known formerly as the Shelby Mustang Gt350-H. As specified by terms of this newly fortified partnership, the Hertz Corporation agreed to purchase 1,000 Shelby Mustang Gt350 fastbacks, which would carry the H-Series designation. These Mustangs were to be available for rent to members of the Hertz Sports Car Club, who were 25 years of age or older. This promotion came to be known as the Hertz Rent-A-Racer program. To rent a 1966 Shelby Mustang Gt350H, Hertz clients were to pay $17 per day plus an additional fee of 17 cents per mile. This was a phenomenal deal even in the 1960s, and many performance-minded individuals were quick to take up Hertz on their offer. During this era, Hertz sought to grow in its appeal and widen its client base. As such, the rental agency saw their partnership with Shelby as the perfect way to drive business and gain a significant edge over its competitors. Hertz set the stage for potential clients in their 1966 brochure, stating, "These cars are available to business travelers who want a change of pace in motoring, by sports car owners away from home, and by vacationers who consider driving an enjoyable sport." Of course, Shelby also benefited from their legendary partnership with Hertz. The immense popularity of the Rent-A-Racer program bolstered demand for the 1966 Shelby Mustang Gt350, as interested consumers were effectively offered the chance at an unsupervised test drive of sorts. One could put the Gt350H through its paces and were able to experience its capabilities firsthand. Hertz purchased each of the Gt350s used with their Rent-A-Racer program for a dealer cost of $3,447. At the conclusion of the program, the vast majority of the remaining Gt350H Mustangs were released for a sale at local dealerships where they were purchased by consumers at a discounted rate. Today, the 1966 Shelby 350H is highly sought after by collectors and regularly commands sale prices in excess of $100,000.